If you've been told your labs are normal, but your brain fog keeps getting worse, and you know something feels off, you are not imagining it. In this video, I'm going to share one simple remedy that helped me heal my brain fog, why it made such a difference, and the mistake that may be keeping many women in the brain fog loop. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, I'm Julie, a registered nurse, and I've been living with Hashimoto's thyroiditis and chronic fatigue for over 20 years. I've spent the last 2 decades digging into holistic, integrative, and functional medicine approaches and applying what I learned to my own body when the usual answers were not enough. And brain fog, this is one of the symptoms I know personally. Because when your labs look fine, but you feel exhausted, inflamed, forgetful, and like you're thinking through frosted glass, it makes you question yourself. But what I've learned, both as a nurse and as a woman who has lived this, is that brain fog is usually not random. It is often a signal of deeper issues like inflammation, blood sugar instability, poor sleep, nervous system dysregulation, gut dysfunction, and nutrient depletion. And that is why this topic matters so much to me, because I wish someone had sat me down years ago and explained that my brain was not failing me, my body was not broken, and this was not just stress or just getting older. There were reasons. And one of the simplest pieces that helped lift that fog for me was glycine. Now, before you click away because that sounds too simple, stay with me because glycine was one simple support that helps some of the deeper systems in my body that had clearly been struggling for a long time. For years, I was that woman being told my labs were normal. And even though I had symptom after symptom that pointed to something much deeper, and basically told I would just have to live with it. And that was a turning point for me because I knew that couldn't be the full answer. So I started digging deeper. That's what led me into thyroid focused care, gut healing, inflammation work, food as medicine, sleep support, and nervous system regulation. Glycine did not help me in a vacuum. It helped me because it fit into a deeper root cause healing framework. So, what is glycine? Glycine is an amino acid, and in simple terms, it helps support several systems that matter a lot when you are dealing with brain fog, autoimmune issues, poor sleep, and an overloaded body. It is involved in glutathione production, which is one of the body's major antioxidants. It supports detoxification pathways. It may help support relaxation and better sleep quality. It plays a role in gut lining support and tissue repair. And because of that, it can be especially relevant for women whose brain fog is connected to inflammation, stress overload, poor sleep, and that wired but exhausted pattern so many women with Hashimoto's and chronic fatigue and other autoimmune diseases know so well. If your brain feels foggy, sluggish, inflamed, or like you cannot find your words, we have to ask deeper questions. How is your sleep? How inflamed is your body? How regulated is your nervous system? What is happening in your gut? Because all of those things can feed brain fog. And this is where glycine became so helpful for me, not because it gave me fake energy, but because it supported calm. It supported the deeper physiology my body had been missing. And when your body has been in survival mode for a long time, those calming restorative supports can make a bigger difference than people realize. Now, here's the mistake I told you I would come back to. The mistake that keeps many women stuck is treating brain fog like a symptom to cover up instead of a signal to decode. Trying to just push through it, trying to caffeine your way out of it, trying to out supplement it without asking why it's happening. That keeps women stuck. Because if something like glycine helps you, the right question is not just, what can I keep taking? The better question is, what is this revealing about what my body has been missing? That is where the real breakthrough starts. If glycine helps you sleep more deeply, helps your nervous system calm, helps your body feel more supported, those are clues. And when you start paying attention to the clues, your healing gets more strategic. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, Julie, this sounds like me, but how do I know if my brain fog is connected to a deeper root cause? Here are a few clues. If your brain fog gets worse when your inflammation flares, that's a clue. If it gets worse after poor sleep, if you feel wired but tired, if your gut is off and your brain feels off at the same time, if you're forgetting words, losing focus, feeling mentally slow, or like you're thinking through frosted glass, that's a clue too. This is not you being lazy. It's not you being dramatic. It's not just aging. It is very often inflamed physiology. So many women have been gaslit out of trusting what they clearly feel in their own bodies. I know that pain personally. There was a time in my life when I was still functioning on the outside, but privately, I knew how hard everything had become. I could still show up, I could still get things done, but the effort it took was so much heavier than anyone could see. And I know many of you are living there right now. That's why I make these videos, because I don't want women like us waiting 10 or 20 years for answers the way I did. This is very emotional for me. It brings back a lot. So let's make this practical. Why might glycine help brain fog? First, it may help support deeper, more restorative sleep. And if you're not getting restorative sleep, your brain does not recover well. Second, it may support a calmer nervous system. And many women with autoimmune issues are living in chronic stress physiology, whether they realize it or not. Third, it supports pathways related to glutathione and detoxification. And toxic burden plus inflammatory burden can absolutely affect mental clarity. Fourth, it may support gut integrity. And we can't talk about autoimmune healing without talking about the gut immune connection. That is why I say simple does not mean insignificant. Sometimes simple means foundational, and foundational is often what the body has been asking for all along. Glycine is one of those simple supports I think deserves more attention for women dealing with brain fog in the setting of inflammation, thyroid dysfunction, chronic fatigue, and autoimmunity in general. And more than that, it opens the door to the right conversation. Not just what can I take, but what is my body trying to tell me? That question changed everything for me because once I stopped blaming myself and started supporting my body differently, things began to shift. I changed how I ate. I worked on inflammation. I supported my gut. I supported sleep, worked on nervous system regulation. I became more strategic with the tools I used. And over time, I went through a complete transformation. I lost 95 pounds. I've kept that weight off for over 2 years. But even more importantly than that, I feel so much better. And that is why I share this. Not because I think there is one answer for everyone, but because I know what it feels like to be dismissed, to be exhausted, to lose confidence in your own brain, and to keep hearing that everything is normal when you know it's not. So, if that is where you are right now, I want to leave you with this. Don't dismiss your brain fog. Don't minimize it. Do not assume it's all in your head. Start getting curious. Start looking for patterns. Start supporting your body at the root. And if glycine ends up being one of the simple pieces that helps lift the fog for you too, pay attention to that because it may be revealing something important about what your body needs next. If this video resonated with you, please hit like and subscribe. It helps this channel reach more women who are struggling with brain fog, Hashimoto's, and autoimmune symptoms, but still being told that everything looks normal. And I'd love to hear from you below. What has been your biggest brain fog challenge since your diagnosis? If you want help connecting the dots in your own body, grab my free autoimmune energy workbook below. It will help you track symptoms, notice patterns, and start identifying what may be driving your fatigue and brain fog. You are not imagining this. Your body is not broken, it is burdened. And when you understand those burdens, you can finally begin supporting your body in the way it has needed all along. Thank you for being here with me today. Take care of yourself because you deserve to feel well. And remember, we're all in this together.